What's going on, traders? It's Lucas, back at it again. Today I want to talk about a specific theme that I think many of you should get into, and it's emotions and how past behavior um, basically changes the way a stock trades and how it influences it. Um, for this, I'm going to show you a couple of charts and tell you how these influence each other and how they move together. So we had a move on AWX the past week where we saw these two candles right here surpassed the past runs that we had the couple of last month, where we basically had one green day and a dump. But on this run, we got up first a green day, and then we basically shot up to right about, I think, $38 because of the CEO of Mint Broker, aka Shirt Trader, that bought every dip and sold for a nice profit. And yeah, so the longs right here, or basically the shorts, I mean, got scared out and squeezed out of the position, and we got this move. So we saw a move on AWX. I think it was on Friday, where people were looking for this kind of move right here. So basically a huge parabolic move to the upside, and I think we had a news. They had good earnings, I think, and I'm gonna show you the 5-minute chart because I think that's what really is important for this one. So as you know, we had this huge move, and now traders are looking for the same move, and we got it briefly. So basically, a little spike. So not really a small spike, but a small spike relative to the moves it had in the past. We got one move, shorts getting in and getting squeezed out to the upside, and then we got some kind of consolidation right here. So think about all the longs that got in right here. As you can see with the volume, we got a nice right around 750,000 shares traded in this area, and yeah, people got trapped because they thought that we would get the same move. And when people, or a lot of people, the majority of people, think that we will get a move, usually we're gonna see the exact opposite move. And yeah, so it traded down, crashed down. Now basically we're kind of in this consolidation right here, and everybody who's got long in this move is red. So I think that we're gonna see a panic when market opens on Monday. But yeah, we'll see. Another trade, or basically a chart I'm gonna show you, is KBSF. I don't know if I can show you the 1-minute chart. I think it's too far back, but I'm gonna show you the 5-minute chart. I think that should be on it. Yeah. I can't show you the pre-market chart too, but gonna show you what we saw here. We got a pre-market move. I'm gonna show you the daily chart first, I think. Should be better. Yeah, we saw these kind of moves right here, right there, so big spikes, and then it came back. But what happened was we saw AWX spike a lot, really far, as I showed you previously, and we had a small float on it. Right here, the float is 900, or basically million shares, and that's really not much. So what traders are thinking at this moment is, all right, we saw a move on AWX. It was a low float stock, and we want to see the same move. So pre-market, people bought the stock, and this stock was, I think, hard to borrow on this day. I'm pretty sure about it. So shorts couldn't really short, and every long in the pre-market was thinking that we would see a spike, and bought pre-market, And what happened next was basically, as I told you right before, when traders think something and the majority thinks it will happen, exactly the opposite will happen, and that's what we got. It opened, briefly shot up right here, and boom, we got this move right back down to the previous day and lower. So the thing about trading is, when too many people think the same thing, we're gonna get exactly the opposite move, and that's what you need to think about. What do other people think about? And yeah, is it the right thinking? Because if too many people see the same thing, we're gonna get exactly the same move. So I wanted to make a quick video about it, not much, but I think that this should be talked about more, and I thought that you might be interested in it. The chat members in the chat that I run, surely we talked about it a lot, and yeah, basically it's only trading psychology, and you should definitely learn about it and understand it, because you can get a lot of profits because of it, and also lose a lot if you don't know about it. Yeah, so that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button if you liked or saw quality content in it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.